Yeah. Do you have permission to be recording?
Were you my mother or what? I need to ask you for permission? That's kind of weird.
No, what's weird is that you're recording.
No, what's weird is that you're bothering me while I'm recording. Mind your own business. You need to.
I'll have them come.
You ain't calling nobody. They're going to tell you to stop crying about it.
Everybody.